Hello students, welcome to SGRBCC. I am Sampath. In this class we will discuss paper number 290, reasoning paper it is. See the first one, directions 1 to 5. Study the following information carefully and answer the questions given below. 8 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H sit around a square table such that 4 of them sit at corners and remaining 4 sit in the middle of the table, not necessarily in the same order. The person sit at the corner facing away from the center. Okay, so here we have a square table. There are totally 8 persons sitting around this square table, 4 of them sitting in the corner and remaining 4 sitting in the middle of the table. Those who are sitting in the corner of the table, they are facing away from the center. They are facing away. So middle persons facing center. See the first one. G sits second to the right of B. 2 persons sit between G and A who doesn't sit adjacent to B. Okay, so G sits second to the right of B. So here B is taking middle and G sits second to the right of B. And coming to the second possibility, G sits in the corner and G is the second to the right of B. And the next 2 persons sit between G and A. A doesn't sit adjacent to B. So between G and A there are 2 persons and also one more possibility. And next, number of persons sit between A and G is same as the number of persons sit between G and H. So between A and G there are 2 persons are there, and here G and H between 2 persons are there, and H is placing here. And next, E sits second to the right of C who doesn't sit at the middle of the table. So see, C doesn't sit middle of the table in the sense C is sitting corner of the table. Suppose if we place C here, E is the second to the right of C. Here already H is placing. So C is not placing here. So if C is placing here and E is placing here, it is the first condition. Coming to the second one, if C is placing here, E is placing here. And next, F faces the one who sits immediate left of H. So F is facing the one who sits immediate left of H. Actually H is placing here, and here immediate left of F there is B. Here F is placing, and coming to the here immediate left of H, that is B. Here already B is facing C. So this possibility is not correct. This one is the correct. The remaining person that we left, that is D. Okay, it is the final arrangement of the puzzle. Let us move on to the questions. See the first question. How many persons sit between F and E when counted to the right of E? So E here and F here, right of E, 1, 2, 3, 4, there are totally 4 persons are there. And next, which among the following statement is true? A sits adjacent to C, not correct. F faces E, not correct. And no one sits between G and E when counted from right of G. So between G and E, left of G there is no person, and this one is also not correct. Next, D sits second to the left of B. So D here and B here, D is the second to the left of B, that is correct. Next, question number 3. Which of the following does not belonging into the group? Next, see, A is sitting corner, D is sitting in the middle, C corner and H corner, A also corner, only D is the odd one out. Which among the following pair of person immediate neighbors? See, A and C not immediate neighbors. Next, F and D. So see, F and D not immediate neighbors, C and H. And next, B and E. So only B and E are the immediate neighbors. Who among the following persons sits second to the left of the one who sits opposite to E? So actually opposite to E, that is A. From A, the person second to the left. From A, that is H is the second to the left. Option 1 is the answer. Next, question number 6 to 9. blood relation we have. See the first one. P is the mother-in-law of T. P is the mother-in-law of T. It means P has a son or daughter. This person is married to T. P is the mother-in-law in the sense P is female candidate. Next, V is sister-in-law of T. V is the sister-in-law of T and vice versa. It means V is the sister-in-law of T and also T is the sister-in-law of V. Already T is married this person, and if V is the sister of this person, both T and V both are sister-in-law of each other. So here T is also a female candidate. T is female candidate. This person is male candidate. Next, V is unmarried. So V is unmarried. U is grandchild of M and the nephew of V, who has only one sibling. So V has only one sibling. This person is brother of V, and U is grandchild of M. U is the grandchild of M and the nephew of V. So see V here, these two persons are married persons, and U is the nephew in the sense U is the male candidate and child of these two persons, and also grandchild of M in the sense he is the husband of P. These two are married couple. And next, M is not parent of T. So M is not parent of T in the sense M is the parent of this person and V. Both are M and P both are parents of these two guys. Next, S is aunt of V. So S is aunt of V means S is either sister of either M or P. Okay, either sister of either M or P. P has no siblings. So P has no sibling in the sense only S is the sister of M. So P has no siblings. P ki akka chellelu annadamulu evaru lerani meaning. Next, Q is child of R, who is sibling of V. So here only V has one sibling, that is Q. Q is the husband of T and Q is child of R. So Q is child of R and who is sibling of V. Q is the sibling of V. And next, gender of U and Q are different. So see, already M and P both are husband and wife. S is the sister of M and Q is child of R. So Q vachesi child of R antunnadu. So see, here not Q, it is not Q. It is not Q. Q is the child of R. Q is the child of R, who is sibling of V. R is the sibling of V. And next, gender of U and Q both are different. So see, U is the male candidate, Q is the female candidate. It is the final arrangement of the blood relation. So here two married couples, that is M and P married couple and T and R married couple. So male and female and male and female. And next, S is the sister of M, V is the sister of R, both Q and U both are siblings. Next, let us move on to the questions. See the first question. Q is married to B. So if Q is married to B, B is the male candidate, then how B related to T? Obviously that is son-in-law. If M and P are older than S, how many persons are younger than S? So see, this is the first generation, second generation and third generation. Both M and P are older than S means, so after S, that is M and P is coming, remaining all persons are less than S, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Totally 5 persons are younger than S. Next, who among the following is grandchild of P? Grandchild of P either Q or V, and both Q and U. Next, question number 9. Who among the following does not belonging into the group? So need to find odd one out. S is the female candidate, P female and U male, and T is the female and V is the female, that is U is the male candidate. Next, how many pair of letters are there in the word gathering? Gathering. Each word has as many letters between in the word English alphabetical series, both forward and backward directions. Starting from G. G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. So see, first G and N, first pair is G and N, and next A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, T, U, V, W, X, Y, H, I, J, K, L, M, R, S, T, U, E, F, G, H, I, next I, J, K. So only forward we have one pair, and next coming to the G, H, I. So G and I both are one pair. Okay. J, K, L, M, N, O. So N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, R, S, T, U, V, W, next E, F, G, H, I, H, I, J, K, and next T, U, V, W. So only two pairs we are getting. Only two pairs we are getting. Next question number 11 to 15. We have one more puzzle is there. See the first one. A certain number of persons are sitting in a row, all of them facing north. So uncertain number, all of them facing north direction. Okay. So two possibilities. 5 persons sit between C and H, and next B sits fourth to the left of C. 2 persons sit between B and D, who doesn't sit adjacent to C. Number of persons sit between B and C is one more than the number of persons sit between A and D. G sits 2 places away from H, and G sits at one of the extreme ends, and number of persons sit between right of G is 2 less than the number of persons sit to the left of A. Right of G is 2 less than the persons sit to the left of A. F sits exactly between C and H. So it is the uncertain puzzle we have. So see, what is the clue point here? That is, G sits 2 places away from H, D sits at one of the extreme ends. Suppose here we are placing G and here we are placing G. Okay, two possibilities. All are facing north. It is the right side and it is the left side of them. And next, G sits 2 places away from H. So here 1 and 2. Here H is placing, here H is placing. And next, number of persons sit to the right of G is 2 less than the number of persons sit to the left of A. So right of G is 2 less than the number of persons sit to the left of A, in the sense here right of G there is no person, then left of A, that is 2 persons are there. Okay. Next, here right of G we do not know how many persons are there. Next, left of A, that there are 2 persons more than. సో ఈ కండిషన్ కొంచెం పక్కన పెడదాం సెకండ్ పాసిబిలిటీలో, ఎందుకంటే మనకు తెలియదు రైట్లో ఎంతమంది కూర్చున్నారో తెలియదు ఏ జీకి, దాన్ని బేస్ చేసుకుని వీ కెన్ ఆన్సర్. నెక్స్ట్ సీ ద ఫస్ట్ వన్. సో ఫస్ట్ నుండి మళ్ళీ చూస్తే 5 persons sit between C and H, and H is already is there 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here C is placing. Next, B sits fourth to the left of C. So fourth to the left in the sense 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here B is placing. And next, 2 persons sit between B and D, who doesn't sit adjacent to C. So between B and D there are 2 persons are there. So 1 and 2. Here D is placing. Why? Because if D ikkada place cheste both B and D and B, C both are adjacent to each other aitharu. Kabatti ikkada condition ade kada. Next, number of persons sit between B and C is 1 more than the number of persons sit between A and T. So here B and C 1, 2, 3 persons are there. So these 3 persons are 1 more than the number of persons sit between A and D. It means 3 is 1 more, means only A and between A and D there are 2 persons are there. So here A is there, D and D is there. Between both there are 2 persons are there. Clear? And next, G sits 2 places away from H. Clear? And G sits one of the extreme ends. Clear? The number of persons sit to the right of G 2 less than the number of persons sit to the left of here. This one is also clear. F sits exactly between C and H. So here C and here H. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 persons are there. Here F is placing. F is placing. So only this possibility is correct. Let us move on to the questions. See the first question. Question number 11. How many persons are sitting in a row? So there are totally 21 persons are there. Option 3. Next, question number 12. Find the odd one out. F and H. So see, between F and H there are 2 persons, A and D. Between A and D 2 persons, and C and F 2 persons between both, and H and G only 1 person is there. And next, which of the following statement is true? See, first one, more than 3 persons sit to the left of B. So first one is correct. Okay, left of B there are more than 3 persons. Second one, B sits to the left of G. So B sits to the left of G, not correct. Yes, so B here and G here, B is the left of G, it is also correct. Next, even number of persons sit between A and B. So between A and B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 persons are there. Third one is not correct, only 1 and 2 correct. 14th question, what is the position of F with respect to G? So from G 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 fifth to the left, fifth to the left, option 3 is the answer. Number of persons sit between B and F. So between B and F 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 persons are there, and between the number of persons sit between dash and dash. So A 2 persons madhyana total 6 members unnaru. So see, so first one A and B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 persons are there, and H and D, between H and D there are more than 6 persons are there, and G and A. So between G and A is also same, and D and C. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 persons are there. So what is the answer here? That is none of the answer. None of the answer. Next we have syllogism. See the first one. Only a few rain is water. Only a few rain is water. Only this part is belonging to water. Next, all water is sea. All water is sea. And next, no sea is drops. No sea is drops. Conclusions. Some rain is not drops. So some part of rain. So actually some part of rain is water, and all water is sea, and no sea is drops. So first one is definitely follows. First one is definitely follows. Next, all sea being rain is a possibility. All sea being rain is a possibility. So chudandi ikkada statement prakaram only a few rain is water, in the sense what rain వచ్చేసి వాటర్లోకి వెళ్ళే ఛాన్స్ లేదు మొత్తము, బట్ టోటల్ వాటర్ ఈజ్ కమింగ్ టు ద రెయిన్, ఛాన్స్ ఉంది కాబట్టి. సో ఆల్ సీ బీయింగ్ రెయిన్ ఈజ్ ఆల్సో పాసిబిలిటీ. ఇఫ్ వాటర్ ఈజ్ కమింగ్ ఇన్ టు ద రెయిన్ అండ్ సీ ఈజ్ కమింగ్ ఇన్ టు ద రెయిన్, సో ఇట్ ఈస్ డెఫినెట్లీ ఫాలోస్. నెక్స్ట్ only, so both conclusion 1 and 2 follows. Coming to the second one, only hot is cold, in the sense all cold is related only with hot. Next, some hot is summer. Some hot is summer. Only a few summer is winter. Only a few summer is winter. See the first one, no cold is winter. So cold is winter, no cold is winter, definitely follows. Why? Because cold is related only with hot. All summer can be winter. All summer can be winter. This is not follows. Why? Because only a few summer can be winter. Only a few summer is winter kabatti all summer winter possibility anedi definitely not follows. But here all winter is summer పాసిబిలిటీ, ఈ కన్క్లూజన్ డెఫినెట్గా ఫాలో అవుతుంది. ఓకే, ఆల్ వింటర్ సమ్మర్లోకి వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉంది, కానీ ఆల్ సమ్మర్ వింటర్లోకి వెళ్ళే అవకాశం అయితే లేదు. కాబట్టి సెకండ్ వన్ ఈజ్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్. ఓన్లీ కన్క్లూజన్ 1 ఫాలోస్. నెక్స్ట్ 18th one, ఆల్ ఫ్రూట్స్ ఆర్ గ్రేప్స్. సో ఆల్ ఫ్రూట్స్ ఆర్ గ్రేప్స్. Next, only a few fruits is mango. So only a part, this part of fruits is mango. Next, no apple is mango. No apple is mango. All grapes being mango is possibility. All grapes being mango is possibility. It is definitely not correct. Enduku all grapes mango like వెళ్తే all fruits కూడా mango like వెళ్తాయి కదా. సో ఇక్కడ కండిషన్ ప్రకారం, స్టేట్మెంట్ ప్రకారం all fruits are grapes and only a few fruits are mango. Only some part is mango, not all part of fruits is mango. Kabatti first one is not follows. Some fruits are not apple. See, so fruits here, apple here, some part of the fruits is mango and no mango is apple. So second conclusion definitely follows. Only option 2 is the answer. Next. Only a few ring is bangle. Only a few ring is bangle. Next. No bangle is earring. No bangle is earring. Some earrings are pin. Next. Conclusions. No ring is earring. So here ring here and earring and ring here and earring here. No definite relation between both. And next. Some ring is earring. So ring here and earring here kabatti. So see, this one is also not correct, but both are complementary pairs. Some and no is following kabatti. Both are complementary pairs. Either conclusion 1 or 2 follows. Next, last one. Some days are weak. Some days are weak, and only a few days are year. Only a few days are year. Next, all month are year. All month are year. Next, conclusions. Some month are not weeks. Some month are not weeks. Actually, month here and weeks here, there is no definite relation between both. So first one is not follows. All week can never be year. So week here and year here. Okay. So e statements lo only some and all matrame follow aitundi kabatti all weeks can be year definitely follows. So all week can be year. So possibility definitely follow aitundi kabatti can never be anedi asal follow gaadu. Okay, option 4 is the answer. Option 4 is the answer. So ilanti conclusions vachinappudu first of all week can never be year badulu all week can be year aitunda leda check cheyandi first. ఒకవేళ can be అనేది ఫాలో అయితే can never be అనేది does not follow అవుతుంది. ఓకే, సపోజ్ ఒకవేళ can be అనేది ఫాలో కాకపోతే పాసిబిలిటీ కాకపోతే can never be అనేది ఫాలో అవుతుంది అనమాట. నెక్స్ట్, in the given number 8 6 3 5 1 6 4 2 7 5 4 2, 1 is added to the odd digits, 1 is subtracted from the even digit. What will be the sum of the digits which are 4th from right and 8th from left? So we need to find sum only for two numbers, that is first one is 4th from right. So see, from right 1 2 3 and 4, 7 is the right from 4th from right and 8th from left. So 2 4 6 and 8, that is 2. So 8th from left end. Okay, we need to find sum of these two, but what is the condition? 1 is added to the odd digit. So 7 plus 1, that is 8, and 1 is subtracted from the even digit, that is 2 minus 1, that is 1. So what is the sum of these two? That is 9 is the answer. So remaining change also avasram ledhu. Next, question number 22 to 25. See the first one, conclusions. So S greater than B. So S here and B here. So here we have opposite signs, less than and greater than. First one is not correct. Next, coming to the second one, A less than or equal to B. So A less than or equal to B. So A here and B here. Here also we have opposite signs. So see, instead of A we can apply S here. Why? Because A equal to S. And next B for conclusion 1 lo B undi and conclusion 2 lo kuda B undi. So both are not follows. Both are not follows in the sense both are complementary pairs. Kabatti either or condition follows here. So what is the answer? Option 3 is the answer. Next, question number 23. D greater than or equal to Z. So D here, D equal to B and Z here. So see, Z to P, P to D. So see, B equal to D, ఆర్ ఎల్స్ లేదంటే కనుక సో ఈ విధంగా కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు మనం. సో డి ఈక్వల్ టు బి గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు పి అండ్ గ్రేటర్ దెన్ ఆర్ ఈక్వల్ టు జెడ్. సో ఈ విధంగా కూడా రాసుకోవచ్చు. జెడ్ టు టీ డెఫినెట్లీ ఫాలోస్. ఫస్ట్ వన్ ఈజ్ ఫాలోస్. అండ్ కమింగ్ టు ద సెకండ్ వన్, n to u or else u greater than n. So u here and n here, n to m, n less than m, less than or equal to p and less than or equal to u. So see, n to m it is definitely follows. Both conclusion 1 and 2 follows. Next question number 24, x less than or equal to y. So x here and y here, here we have opposite signs. So first one is not follows. Next, b greater than q. So b here and q here, here also two opposite signs. One is greater than, one is less than or equal to. Second one is also not follows. Fourth option, both does not follows. Next, see, o less than t. O here and t here. So o less than j, less than or equal to h, less than t. Okay. From o to t definitely follows. O less than t definitely follows. Next, j less than f. So j here and f here, j less than or equal to h. So instead of greater than, we can write less than. So see, j to f, it is also definitely follows. Both conclusion 1 and 2 follows. Option 5 is the answer. Next, 26 to 30. Here we have one more puzzle. So see, first one, what is the given conditions? Study the following information carefully and answer the given questions below. 8 persons A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H attend dance classes in 4 different months: March, April, August and November. March, April, August and November on 2 different dates, either 13th or 16th of the same year, but not necessarily in the same order. So see, here we have 4 months, that is March, April and August and November. So these have 2 number of dates, that is 13 and 16, 13 and 16, 13 and 16 and also 13 and 16. Let us move on to the puzzle. See the first one. See the first one. 2 persons attend the class between A and G. A attend the class in the month having odd number of days. So March has 31, April 30, August 31 and November 30. So see, between A and G there are 2 persons are there. A attend the class in the month having odd number of days. Next, G attend the class after D. So after D in the sense, so ikkada first A manamu A attend the class in the month having odd number days. Maybe A is placing here. If A is placing here and 2, so G is placing here. And next, it is the first possibility. And coming to the second one, odd number of days. So if A is placing here 1, 2, here G is placing here. Only 2 possibilities we are getting. And next, G attend class after A. G attend class after A. D attend class between A and G on odd number date. So between A and G, so odd number date, that is D here, and also D is placing here. And next, E attend the class 3 persons after D. So 1, 2 and 3. Here E is placing. Here there is no place to fix E here. So this possibility is not correct. Next, number of persons attend the class after E is 1 less than the number of persons attend the class before B. So here after E, that is 2, and before B, that is 3. So B is placing here. So before B there are 3 persons. And next, F attend the class before C on the same number of date. Same number of date in the sense, suppose if F is attending in 13th and C is also attending in 13th. Okay, only one possibility we left. Only one possibility we have. So here one person we left, that is H is placing here. It is the final arrangement of the puzzle. Let us move on to the questions. See the first question, question number 26. Who among the following person attended dance class in November? So November, C and H, both C and H. How many persons attend class between H and D? So between H and D, 1, 2, 3, 4 persons are there. So more than 3 persons. Question number 28. Find odd one out. So see F, D, G, C, H. So see F 13th and March and D 13th, and next G is also 13th and C 13th, only H is 16th attending. Next, which among the following statement is true? G attend the class before A. So not before A, after A. First one is not correct. More than 3 persons attend the class after B. So more than 3 persons, 1, 2, 3. Actually 4 persons are there. Second one is correct. D attend the class in the month having even number of days. So D is attending in April, that is 30 days. Third one is correct. Only 2 and 3 correct. Next, if A related to B, so A related to B, and next E related to H, E related to H, then who among the following related to G? So obviously D related to C, that is C is the answer. Next, directions puzzle we have. See the first one. A is 8 meters to the north of G, which is 5 meters to the west of H. So first of all, A is 8 meters to the north of G. So from G, A is 8 meters and G is 5 meters to the west of H, 5 meters to the west of H. Next, C is 10 meters to the east of A, 10 meters to the east of A, C is 10 meters to the east of A and 15 meters to the north of E. So 15 meters to the north of E, it is 15 meters. And next, B is 7 meters to the south of H, B is 7 meters to the south of H. Here from A to G there is 8 meters and E, G to H, B to H, that is 7 meters, 8 plus 7, that is 15 meters, C to E 15 meters, in the sense these two are in same line. And next, and 9 meters to the east of D, that is B. So B is 9 meters to the east of D. So see here 9 meters, B is 9 meters to the east of point D. And next, point F is 11 meters to the south of D. See, point F is 7 meters to the 11 meters to the north of south of D. So it is the final arrangement of the directions. So let us move on to the questions. Questions like Eldam. See the question number 31 చూడండి ఒకసారి. In which direction point C with respect to point E? So C here and point F here, that is northeast. Point C is the northeast of point F. What is the shortest distance between point A and point E? So point A here and point E here, what is the shortest distance? We need to find E distance ni మనం find out చేయాలి. So see, A to C, that is 10 meters and C to E, that is 15 meters. Apply Pythagoras theorem. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. So hypotenuse square equal to base is nothing but 10 square, that is 100, plus perpendicular in the sense 15 square, that is 225. Then hypotenuse square equal to 100 plus 225, that is 325. Then hypotenuse equal to 325. Finally, what is the hypotenuse? That is shortest distance between A and E, that is 5 root 13 meters. 5 root 13 meters. Option 4 is the answer. Next, which among the following statement is true? Total distance from G to F is less than 35 meters. So G here and F here, between these two, less than 35. See, 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. So 20, 27 and 32. So less than 35 kada. So it is the less than 35 ఉంది కదా. And next, shortest distance between point B to point E is same as the distance between G and H. So between B and E, that is, so here A to E వచ్చేసి 10 meters, ఇక్కడ నుండి ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసి 5 meters అయితే ఇక్కడ నుండి ఇక్కడికి ఎంత అవుతుంది 5 meters. Okay, so B to E is 5 meters and also G to H is also 5 meters. Both are equal. Point A is the northwest of point F. Actually point F here, A here, A is the northeast of F, but not northwest of F. Only 1 and 2 correct. Option 1 is the answer. And next, 4 of the following 5 are alike in a certain way and thus form a group. Who among the following does not belonging into the group? See, first one, D and A. So see, and D here and A here. A is the northeast of D. Next, G and C. So C here and also G here. C is the northeast of G. And next, F and H. So see, H here and F here. H is also northeast of F. Next, E and G. So E here and also G here, but G is the northwest of E. This one is the odd one out. Next, question number 35 to 39. One more puzzle we have. See the first one. 7 persons P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and V sit in a linear row, all of them facing north directions, each of like different colors: red, pink, yellow, green, blue, white and black. All the information not necessarily in the same order. So here we have totally 7 persons are there. 4, 5, 6, 7 persons are there, and each of them like different colors also. All are facing north. It is the right side and it is the left side of them. See the first one. The one who likes green sit third from the one end, that is 1, 2 and 3. Here green and 1, 2, 3. Here green is placed third from one end. 2 persons sit between R and the one who likes green. So between R and green, 2 persons are there. It is R. And next, S is the only neighbor of P. S is the only neighbor of P in the sense, if P placing here, S is placing here, and P is one end. And here one more possibility, that is P and S. The one who likes white sits second to the left of S. So, and one who likes white, that is white is placing here second to the left of S. Here we don't have any place to fix white here, so this possibility is not correct. Next, more than 2 persons sit between V and Q. V and U, there are more than 2 persons are there. And next, Q sits adjacent to U. Okay, so Q is the adjacent to U, and the one who likes pink sits fourth to the right of T. Okay, so pink vachesi fourth to the right of T. It is the pink. And next, the one who likes black sit between P and U. So between P and U, the one who likes black is sitting. Neither V nor T likes blue. The one who likes red sit to the left of the one who likes yellow. So see, మనకి ఇక్కడ పాసిబిలిటీస్ చూడండి ఒకసారి. మోర్ దెన్ 2 persons సిట్ బిట్వీన్ V అండ్ U. సో మోర్ దెన్ 2 persons. సో మనము యూని ఎక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేసుకోవచ్చు? సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ వీ ప్లేసింగ్ V హియర్, ఎందుకంటే యూకి ఇమ్మీడియట్ నైబర్ ఎవరున్నాడు, దట్ ఈస్ Q. సో V 1, 2 and 3. Suppose if U is placing here, Q is the immediate neighbor, that is Q likes white color. Okay, it is the one possibility. And next, Q sits adjacent to U. The one who likes pink only, so the one who likes pink sit to fourth to the right of T. Suppose if T is placing here, only one place we left, that is here. From T, 1, 2, 3 and 4. P likes pink color. So remaining neither V nor T likes blue. So V nor T likes blue means only this person likes blue, and the one who likes red sit to the left of the one who likes yellow color. So coming to the S. So S student ఒకసారి second to the left of S, and next more than, so Q adjacent to U, the one who likes pink fourth to the right of the one who likes black sit between P and U. So between P and U, that is black. S is liking black, this is blue, and red sits left of one who likes yellow. So that is T is likes yellow and red likes by B. So it is the final arrangement of the puzzle. So let us move on to the questions. See the first question. Who among the following second to the left of T? That is V. How many persons sit between V and S? Between V and S, there are 4 persons are there. Who among the following likes yellow color? That is T. T likes yellow color. Which among the following statement is not true? So not true kada. See first one, V extreme left hand, correct, and next more than 3 persons sit with left of S, it is also correct. S likes black color, correct, and Q adjacent to T. So Q is not adjacent to T, that is, so no, Q is adjacent to T, this one is also correct. P likes green color, actually P likes pink color, only not true is, that is option 5. 4 of the following 5 are alike a certain way. Which among the following does not belonging into the group? So see P likes pink and sitting in the right hand of the row. U, T and Q and R, except P, remaining all persons are sitting in the middle side of the row, only P is the odd one out. Next question number 40, last question. See, if we form a 4-letter meaningful word by using 3rd, 5th, 9th and 10th, so limitation from this word, what are the 3rd, 5th, 9th and 10th? So 3rd, 5th, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, that is M, T, O, N. So by using these letters, how many meaningful words can be formed? So M, T, O, N, by using these letters we can't make any meaningful word. So what is the answer here? That is X is the answer. ఎందుకంటే ఈ 4 లెటర్స్ని యూస్ చేసుకొని ఏ మీనింగ్ఫుల్ వర్డ్ లేదు కాబట్టి X is the answer. Okay.